Welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya Maths online class. Today we are going to see the topic nature of roots of the quadratic equation. We know the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then finding the roots of quadratic equation using formula method we know, right? That is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So இத பேஸ் பண்ணி நம்ம roots find out பண்ணலாம். இதுல positive root negative root வரும். Here finding the roots, nature of roots of a quadratic equation. So here applying the formula, discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. In case discriminant is equal to 0, roots are real and equal. Then discriminant greater than 0. The roots are real and unequal roots. Then discriminant less than 0. Roots are no real roots. So discriminant greater than 0, that is real and unequal roots. Discriminant is equal to 0, real and equal roots. Next one, discriminant less than 0, no real roots. Then exercise 3.13, first sum. Determine the nature of roots of the following quadratic equations. First subdivision, 15x square minus 11x plus 2 is equal to 0. The given quadratic equation is comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 15. Then b is equal to minus 11 and c is equal to 2. Applying the formula, discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. Then b square minus 4ac minus 11 the whole square minus 4 into a into c. Then 4 into 15 into 2. Here minus 11 the whole square we get plus 121. Minus 11 into minus 11 plus 121 minus 120, that is equal to 1. Therefore discriminant is equal to 1. Discriminant greater than 0. Hence the roots are real and unequal. Real and unequal. That's all. Next, second subdivision, x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. X square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. The given quadratic equation is comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 1 and also c is equal to minus 1. Here applying the formula, discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. Then discriminant is equal to b square, that is minus 1 the whole square, minus 1 the whole square minus 4ac. 4 into a1, c also minus 1. 4 into 1 into minus 1, that is equal to 1 plus 4, that is minus into minus plus. 4 into 1 4, 4 into 1 4, that is equal to 5. Then discriminant is equal to 5. Therefore discriminant greater than 1. Discriminant greater than 0. Hence the roots are real and unequal roots. First subdivision model. So roots are real and unequal. That's all. Third subdivision, root 2 into t square minus 3 into t plus 3 root 2 is equal to 0. The given quadratic equation is comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to root 2, comma b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 3 into root 2. Then here applying the formula, discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. Then b square minus 3 the whole square minus 4ac. A root 2 into c 3 into root 2, that is equal to minus 3 the whole square we get plus 9 minus 4 into 3 into root 2 into root 2 2. 4 into 3 into root 2 into root 2 2. Here discriminant less than 0. Here discriminant less than 0. Hence the roots are Hence the roots are no real roots. No real roots. So discriminant greater than 0 na real and unequal roots. Discriminant is equal to 0 na real and equal roots. Then discriminant less than 0. Here roots are no real roots. Here roots having no real roots. That's all. Next fourth subdivision. 9y square minus 6 into root 2y plus 2 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 9, b is equal to minus 6 into root 2 and c is equal to plus 2. Here applying the formula, discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. Here b is equal to 6 into root 2 the whole square minus 4ac, 4 into 9 into 2. That is equal to 36 minus into minus plus 6 into 6 36 root 2 into root 2 2 36 into 2 minus 9 fours are 36 36 into 2 72 that is equal to 72 minus 72 that is equal to 0. Therefore discriminant is equal to 0. Hence the roots are real and equal roots. That's solution. 9a squared into b squared into x squared minus 24 into a into b into c into d into x plus 16 into c squared into d squared is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 9a squared b squared, comma b is equal to minus 24 abc and abcd, comma c is equal to 16 c square d square. Discriminant formula is b square minus 4ac, that is equal to b square minus 24 into a into b into c into d minus 4ac, 4 into 9 into 16 into a square b square b square c square and d square. Right. Here minus b the whole square. So 24 into 24 576 minus into minus plus 24 into 24 576 a square into b square into c square into d square minus 16 fours are 64 into 9 fours are 36 remainder 3 9 6 are 54 plus 3 57, that is 576 into a square into b square into c square into d square. Then totally cancel, that is equal to 0. Here discriminant is equal to 0. Hence the roots are real and equal. That's all. Next one, second sum. Find the values of k for which the roots of the following equations are real and equal roots. Given discriminant is equal to 0. That is given because the roots are real and equal. So discriminant is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 5k minus 6, comma b is equal to 2k and c is equal to 1. Here discriminant is equal to 0. Given discriminant is equal to 0. We know the formula. Discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to discriminant. So நம்ம value find out பண்றப்ப formulaவை நம்ம side change பண்ணி எழுதிக்கலாம். b square minus 4ac is equal to discriminant. Here b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Here b is equal to 2k, that is 2k the whole square minus 4ac, a 5k minus 6 into c 1 is equal to 0. Then 2k the whole square is equal to 4k square minus 4 5s are 20 into k, 20k minus into minus plus 4 6 are 24. So in the one hour the total entire day multiply பண்ணப்போ same value தான் வரும். That is equal to 0. Multiply dividing 4 on both sides. Dividing 4 on both sides, then k square minus 5k plus 6 is equal to 0. That is 4 divided by 4 1k square. 20 divided by 4 1 4 is 4, 5 4s are 20. 24 divided by 4 6 1 4 is 4. 6 4s are 24. Right. We know the factorization method. Here product of two factors are 6 and sum is minus 5. Minus 5. So 3 2s are 6. Minus 3 minus 2. Minus into minus plus 3 plus 2 5. That is minus 5. Divided by k. Then divided by k. Then k minus 3 into k minus 2 is equal to 0. Here k minus 3 is equal to 0 and k minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore k is equal to 3 and k is equal to plus 2. Hence k is equal to 2 comma 3. That's all. Next on second subdivision. Here a is equal to k, comma b is equal to 6k plus 2 and c is equal to 16. Here also given discriminant is equal to 0. So applying the formula b squared minus 4ac is equal to discriminant. Then b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0. Here b 6k plus 2 the whole square minus 4ac a into k into 16 is equal to 0. Here a plus b the whole square format. So a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then 6k the whole square, that is 36k square plus 2ab. 2 into 2 4 4 6 are 24k. A square plus 2ab. One step increase பண்ணிடுவோம். A square, that is 6k the whole square plus 2ab. 2 into 6k into 2 2ab plus b square, that is 2 square minus 16 4s are 64 into k is equal to 0. Then 6 6 are 36 k square plus 2 6 are 12 12 2s are 24k plus b square, that is 2 2s are 4 minus 64k is equal to 0. Here 36k square plus minus 64 minus 24 then 40k plus 4 is equal to 0. Here dividing 4 on both sides. So 9k square, that is 36 divided by 4 into k square minus 40k divided by 4 plus 4 divided by 4 is equal to 0 by 4. Then 1 4 is 4, 9 4s are 36, 1, 10 4s are 40, cancel. That is 9k square minus 10k plus 1 is equal to 0. Here using the factorization, then the product of two factors are 9. Then sum is minus 10. So minus 1 into minus 9. Minus into minus plus 1 into 9, 9. Minus 1 minus 1 we get minus 10. Divided by 9k. Also divided by 9k. 9 9 cancel. Then 9k minus 1 into k minus 1 is equal to 0. Here 9k minus 1 is equal to 0 and k minus 1 is equal to 0. Then 9k is equal to plus 1. Here k is equal to plus 1 because minus 1 is to the right hand side plus 1. Then 9k is equal to 1. Therefore k is equal to 1 by 9. Therefore k is equal to 1 comma 1 by 9. 1 comma 1 by 9. Next one, third sum. If the roots of a minus b into x square plus of b minus c into x plus of c minus a is equal to 0 are real and equal roots, then prove that b comma a comma c are in AP. So question என்ன சொல்லிருக்காங்கன்னா The roots are real and equal. So here discriminant is equal to 0. And என்ன ப்ரூவ் பண்ண சொல்லிருக்காங்கன்னா b, a, c are in AP. So AP நாலே நமக்கு காமன் டிஃபரன்ஸ் ஈக்குவலா இருக்கணும். That is t2 minus t1 is equal to t3 minus t2. Here b is t1, a is t2, then c is t3. t2 minus t1, a minus b is equal to t3, c minus a. Then plus a in the same position, minus a shift to left hand side, plus a, and also minus b shift to right hand side, shift to right hand side, plus b. Then b plus c. Then 2a is equal to b plus c. In the format is கொண்டு வரலாம், or a is equal to b plus c divided by 2. a is equal to b plus c by 2. இந்த ரெண்டு ஃபார்மட்ல எது கொண்டு வந்தாலும் the given the prove that a b, a, c are in AP, right? Here a is equal to a minus b and b is equal to b minus c and c is equal to c minus a. Here discriminant is equal to 0 since the given roots are real and equal. So discriminant is equal to 0. We know the formula b square minus 4ac is equal to discriminant. That is discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac, both are equal. Then b square minus 4ac, b square, that is b minus c the whole square minus 4ac, 4 into a minus b into c minus a is equal to 0. Then a minus b the whole square format, so a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a square, that is b square minus 2ab, 2 into a into b, 2bc plus c square, that is b square minus 4 into a into c, ac, then a into minus a square, then minus b into c minus bc, minus into minus plus a into b, ab or ba is equal to 0. Then b square minus 2bc plus c square minus into plus minus 4 into ac, 4ac. The 4 is common to the 4 terms, ac minus a square minus bc into ab. So minus 4ac minus into minus plus 4a square minus into minus plus 4bc minus into plus minus 4ab is equal to 0. Here 4a square plus b square plus c square minus 4ab, that is minus 4ab plus 2bc, because minus 2bc plus 4bc we get plus 2bc, then minus 4ac is equal to 0. இங்க ஒரு ஃபார்முலா இங்க அப்ளை பண்ணலாமா, that is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is equal to a plus b plus c the whole square, that is 2a the whole square. அது எப்படி எழுதறோம்னா minus 2a the whole square, minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab, 2 into here a is equal to minus 2a into b, that is plus into minus minus 2 2s are 4, 4 into ab, 4ab. Here 2bc இங்க ஒண்ணு சேஞ்சஸ் இல்ல, அப்படியே தான் இருக்கு. லாஸ்ட் டைம்ல plus 2 into ac, a minus 2a into c தான், that is equal to 0. Plus into minus minus 2 2s are 4, a into c, ac. So a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, that is left hand side. The right hand side is equal to a plus b plus c the whole square. Here a is equal to minus 2a, b also b is equal to b and c also c down. So minus 2a plus b plus c the whole square is equal to 0. That is right hand side a plus b plus c the whole square. Here minus 2a plus b plus c is equal to 0. The root right side porappa root of sorry. The square right side porappa root of convert agum. Square root of 0 is equal to 0. Then b plus c is equal to 2a minus 2a. Shift to right hand side plus 2a. Then 2a is equal to b plus c. Both are same. Then a is equal to b plus c divided by 2 plus 2 shift to right hand side. Then b plus c divided by 2. That is a is equal to b plus c divided by 2. Then b comma a comma c are in AP. Hence it is proved. Once again I solve a minus b is equal to c minus b. Sorry, c minus a. Then a plus a is equal to minus b shift on to right hand side plus b. Then a plus a is equal to b plus c. Then 2a is equal to b plus c. இதுவே இந்த ஃபார்மேட் வந்துருச்சு. இருந்தாலும் a is equal to b plus c divided by 2. This is this format. So given b comma a comma c are in AP. Hence it is proved. That's all. Next one for the sum. If a comma b are real, then so that the roots of the a minus b the x square minus 6 into a plus b into x minus 9 into a minus b is equal to 0 are real and equal roots. Real and unequal roots. That is real and unequal roots. So enough proof பண்ண சொல்லிருக்காங்கன்னா real and unequal. So discriminant greater than 0 ன்னு proof பண்ண சொல்லிருக்காங்க. So here a minus b into x square minus 6 into a plus b into x minus 9 into a minus b is equal to 0. Here a is equal to a minus b comma b is equal to minus 6 into a plus b and c is equal to minus 9 into a minus b. Here discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac, that is formula. Then discriminant is equal to b square, that is minus 6 into a plus b the whole square minus 4ac, a that is a minus b into c minus 9 into a minus b, that is 36 into a plus b the whole square. Minus into minus plus 6 6 are 36. Then a plus b the whole square minus 4 into, that is minus into minus plus 4 nines are 36 into a minus b the whole square. Then a minus b into a minus b the whole square. The step one கொஞ்சம் கன்ஃபியூஸ் பண்ணோம். minus into minus plus 4 nines are 36. இது ரெண்டும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி கொடுத்துட்டோம். remaining a minus b into a minus b the whole square. Then 36 into a plus b the whole square. We know the formula a square plus 2ab plus b square plus 36 into a minus b the whole square. So a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is 36 a square plus 36 2s are 72 ab plus 36 b square. Also 36 a square minus 72 ab plus 36 b square. Plus into plus plus, plus into minus minus, 36 into 2, 72 ab plus 36 b square. Then plus 72 ab minus 72 ab cancel. And 36 plus 36, sorry, 36 plus 36, 72 a square. Okay, 36 plus 36, 72 a square common எடுத்தோம். Next one plus 72 b square. Here taking 72 as common. Then 72 into b square. Here discriminant greater than 0 because 72 into a square plus b square. Then a and b are real numbers starting with number. So discriminant greater than 0. Hence the roots are real and unequal. Next one, fifth sum. If the roots of the equation c square minus ab into x square minus 2 into a square minus bc into x plus b square minus ac is equal to 0 are real and equal. Prove that either a is equal to 0 or a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus is equal to 3abc. Then prove that a is equal to 0 or a square plus b a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3 into abc. இரண்டு ஏதாவது ப்ரூவ் பண்ணோம். So given roots are real and equal. So discriminant is equal to 0. That is given. Discriminant is equal to 0. Here a is equal to c square minus ab. Then b is equal to minus 2 into a square minus bc. Comma c is equal to b square minus ac. Here applying the formula discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. That is b square minus 4ac is equal to discriminant. Here b square minus 2 into a square minus bc the whole square minus 4ac. A c square minus ab into c b square minus ac is equal to 0, because discriminant is equal to 0. Then 4 into a square minus bc, minus into minus plus 2 square 4, then a square minus bc the whole square minus 4 into c square into b square c square, then c square into minus ac minus a into c cube, a into c square into c cube, then minus, because minus into plus minus ab into b square ab cube, also minus into minus plus ab into ac then a square bc, a square bc, that is equal to 0. Here taking 4 as common, the two terms 4 is common, so entire common. Then a square minus bc the whole square minus, that is minus b square c square plus ac cube minus into minus plus ab cube plus minus into plus minus, then a square bc is equal to 0. இந்த டோட்டலா 4 காமன் எடுத்தனால இங்க என்ன இருக்குன்னா 1 மட்டும் தான் இருக்கும். So 1 into minus 1 into b square c square minus b square c square, அந்த கான்செப்ட்ல போயிட்டே இருக்கும். Next 4 into or a minus b the whole square, so a square, that is a to the power 4. ஏன்னா a ங்கற பிளேஸ்ல a square இருக்கு, so a to the power 4 minus 2ab, that is 2a square bc, 2a square bc plus b square, that is b square c square minus b square c square plus ac cube plus ab cube minus a square bc is equal to 0 by 4. And the 4 right side shift பண்றப்போ divided by 4 நம்ம 0 by 4, then minus, that is a to the power 4 minus 2a square bc minus a square bc, so minus 3a square bc, then plus b square c square minus plus b square c square cancel, then plus ac cube plus ab cube is equal to 0. என்னது ரெண்டையும் ஷிஃப்ட் பண்ணி வச்சா, அதாவது சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ணி வச்சா, ரெண்டையும் கோஆர்டினேட் பண்ணதுனால minus 3a square bc வந்துச்சு. நெக்ஸ்ட் டோட்டலா all terms में a is common, so taking a as common, then a cube minus 3abc, so a square is equal to a, so taking a as common, so minus 3abc plus c cube plus b cube, ஏனா டோட்டலா a வை காமன் எடுத்தாச்சு, is equal to 0. Then a into a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to 0. So order பண்ணிருக்கோம் a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Here a is equal to 0, comma a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to 0. இந்த two terms செப்பரேட்டா ஈக்குவேட் பண்ணிருக்கோம். So நம்ம ஆல்ரெடி இந்த மெத்தட் யூஸ் பண்ணிருக்கோம். x minus 4 into x minus 3 is equal to 0 ங்கறப்ப இத டோட்டல் செப்பரேட்டா ஈக்குவேட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். So same concept. Then therefore a is equal to 0, comma a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. இந்த minus 3abc ரைட் சைடு ஷிஃப்ட் பண்ணா plus 3abc. Therefore a is equal to 0 or a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3 into abc. Hence it is proved. That's all. Thank you.